In this quick video, I will show you how to buy AGIX on Uniswap step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org, then click connect here, choose your wallet. So for example, we're going to use MetaMask wallet. Then once you have connected your wallet, you can choose your network. So for example, I want to use Ethereum network because the AGIX token or SingularityNET token is supported by Ethereum network. And you can see it here on the contract. Then go to Uniswap and click here, type down AGIX, click here, and click here. Then type the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, for example, 1 Ethereum. And you can see that I will receive this amount of SingularityNET token. Now, once you have typed down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, click here and a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up and you will gonna need to pay for the gas fee. So make sure that you leave enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet because you're going to use it for the gas fee. And once you have paid for the gas fee, go back to your MetaMask wallet and check if you have received the SingularityNET token in your MetaMask wallet. So if you can see your SingularityNET token, you can go back to coinmarketcap.com, just type down AGIX or SingularityNET, copy the contract address, go back to MetaMask, click import tokens, and then click custom token, paste the address here, and click add custom token. Click import tokens, and now you will be able to see your balance on SingularityNET token in your MetaMask wallet. If you have any questions about how to buy SingularityNET token or AGIX on Uniswap, leave a comment below.